So this is the hardware setup of LED blinking project using Node MCU with potentiometer. So here it is. This is a Node MCU board ESP8266, one LED, one resistor, and a potentiometer with which I have connected this screwdriver. Okay, so the aim of the project is to whenever I move this screwdriver, the knob of potentiometer also move, and this should increase the blinking speed of the LED, this LED. So it is blinking now every 1 second, but if I move this potentiometer, the blinking speed of this LED is going to increase. So let's do this. So see, now the blinking speed is slightly increased, and if I move more, see the blinking speed is got slightly more increased, and if I do it full, see the blinking speed of the LED. Now it is blinking at very much less delay, and if I move further, see the speed. What is the blinking speed? Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of the project. Here I have connected the positive leg of the LED to the GPI of pin number 5 of Node MCU, and the negative leg to the ground via 220 ohm resistor. And now we have a potentiometer. The first leg of the potentiometer is grounded, and the second leg of the potentiometer is connected to the analog to digital converter of Node MCU, that is ADC, this orange wire, and the third pin is connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, that is plus 5 volt. So this is the circuit diagram of the project. This is the code explanation. Here I have defined two pins. The D1 pin is for where I have connected the LED to the Node MCU, and the A0 is the analog pin of Node MCU where I have connected the potentiometer. Then I have defined this integer type variable to hold the value which we are getting from potentio, that is the analog pin. And this is the void setup where first I have begun the serial communication at the baud rate of 9600. After that I have defined the LED as output pin and the potentio as input pin. That means D1, the digital pin, is as output and the analog pin is as input. So now comes his void loop. Here we have one function analog read, which work is to map the high value to low its function is to map the low value to high value digital into the analog form. Like we are having 0 for the low value and digital, and 1 or 5 volt for the high value. And for analog we have the value from 0 to 1023. We can have any value like 500, 200, 700, 600. So to map that 0 or 1 into the analog form, that is from 0 to 1023, that is 1023, we use this function. So as we get the value, we are storing that value into the analog data function, analog data variable, that integer variable that we have defined here. And now we are printing the value which we are getting in this variable, and this is the logic for blinking the LED. So first we are turning on the LED, then giving some delay, then turning off the LED, then give some delay. Now the interesting part is this: we are not giving the constant delay, we are varying the delay, and this variation is given by the potentiometer. Like suppose if we are having the value 500 in this analog data variable, and this is the same we are giving here, so that means we are having the delay of 500 milliseconds. Suppose if I move my potentiometer and now the delay becomes 200, so the value we are getting in this variable is 200, and the same is here, so now the delay becomes 200. So that means it will reduced from 500 to 200. That means delay decreases, so the blinking speed or the flow of the program increases. So we are seeing the blinking effect faster in the LED. So this is the whole working of this code. Now I'll show you my serial monitor as I have connected my hardware. So okay, as you can see, the current delay is 939 or 37. milliseconds as I turn my potentiometer towards low. So as you can see, the delay is decreasing. That means that is the analog reading the analog reading from 0 to 1023, and this, the same value we are using as delay. So if I move further, then we are getting 5, 400, now 300, 200, and now we are getting in a two digit, and now we are getting the single digit, like we have the delay of 2 to 3 milliseconds. So at this time our LED blinks at a very much faster rate. So this is the whole program. Thank you.